One last time together, right, fellas? Let's go out there, leave it all at this field. Let's leave it all out there, leave no doubt, all right? Let's do it together. Giants on 3. 1, 2, 3. Giants! Appreciate that, Scotty.
I'm gonna be great today. Watch me be great today. Watch me be great today.
Everybody in this thing together, right? Everybody in this thing together. Let's go out. Let's beat man coverage. They're gonna play man coverage. We beat man coverage. Get open. Go. With the ball, without the ball. Got you. One out on 3. 1, 2, 3. One out.
Opportunity knocking, man. What y'all gonna do with it? What y'all gonna do with it, man? Talk, communicate, fly around to the ball, make plays, man.
Hey, I'm back in Boston, Bert. Huh? I'm back in Mass. Hey, I gotta cut up. I gotta cut up for old time's sake. You gotta go for old time's sake, man.
Everybody want an opportunity, man. If you touch that field tonight, tonight's your opportunity, man. That's all you can ask for. Leave everything you got on the field tonight. Leave it on the field tonight. Make a name for yourself. Represent the name on the back of your jersey, man. Do it for each other. Have fun. Play fast. Play physical. Play the Giants way, man. Let's play the Giants way tonight. Here we go. Hey, Giants on 3. 1, 2, 3. Giants.
2nd and 5 from the Giants 30. Jones right on the money to Golden Tate on the slant. Little pressure. Jones floats it up top. Golden Tate makes the catch. And a nice throw by Jones. Just dropped it in the bucket to Golden Tate. But Carl, the poise of Jones again.
Bro, I looked up and the ball was in the it was in the lights. But then as I found it, it came right over my shoulder.
They got brand new boats in this.
Right. That Daniel Dimes might stick for a while. Danny Dimes.
Stidham, deep drop, getting pressured from the backside by Seresna. He hits him. The ball flutters to the right side, and it is intercepted by the Giants. Here comes Sean Chandler the other way, to the near side, and a penalty marker on the play as he returns it about 10 yards to the Giants' 48.
Hey, Jake, great job, man. Great job. Great, man.
You ain't got no return skill, but at least you talk.
On 2nd down and 8 from the Patriots 35. 5-man pressure package. Tanny loops it far down the left sideline for Russell. He's got it, and he goes into the end zone for a touchdown.
Great job, baby.
Nice job, buddy.
Running end around, the ball's fumbled and the Giants recover it. Bad exchange. Thomas didn't get it, and the Giants pounce on it.
That's going on the clinic tape.
That's better than 3 now. Rock the baby for him. Rock the baby for the people, man. Rock the baby. Got the baby. All about other money. What the?
Lauletta hoists it down the middle. Simonson makes the catch for the touchdown.
That is a great job. Simonson seems hurt.
I just got to roll up.
Give me a shot.
Thank you.
Hey, Scotty, you already know.
Patriots are going to go for it on 4th and 3, up 4. Stidham to throw, under pressure, going to get sacked by John Jenkins.
So I went in, but when I went in, I stepped high, long arm to inside shoulder, and then I just hoisted the arm and ripped. Yeah, it went back left.
This is it.
So unless there's a defensive penalty, this will be the final play of the game. 3rd and 10 at the Patriots 14.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's for everything.
He gets it off. Lauletta throws left corner of the end zone for Alonzo Russell, and he makes the catch for the touchdown. The Giants win it on the final play of the game. Wow. Kyle Lauletta hitting Alonzo Russell in the left corner of the end zone. And the Giants come from behind to shock the Patriots in Foxborough.
Hey, bro.
talk to him.
Hey, the man above is amazing. He's amazing. He's amazing. I promise you, he's amazing.
I told you he's coming back to it. I told you.
17, where you at? He right here. Where you at?
Now, what's the takeaway, right? The takeaway from the night is that great feeling that you get when you win.
Yeah.
It's got to be something that you fight for, to have these few moments in the locker room together, right? And it wasn't pretty, was it? No. It doesn't really matter. If you fight and you continue to give yourself a chance and you have one more down, you never know what's going to happen. Wait, where's Kyle? Where's Zoe? A whole lot of good protection, and hey, I don't care what all this means, other than we found a way to win the game, and I'm proud of you guys. All right, so now let's do this. Let's get dressed. Let's get the hell out of here. Get back to Jersey.
Victory Friday.
Here we go. All the way back.
Family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Family.
Hey Giants fans, Saquon Barkley here. You want to see more videos? Subscribe below.